Those of you who have been to Missouri. I spent some time in Missouri, I'll tell you that.
Sounds scary.